Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to contact AustralianSuper via email. Whether you are looking for general inquiries or to make a complaint on AustralianSuper, you can easily use their email service to contact them. So in order to do that, first of all, open a web browser and then in the URL box type in AustralianSuper.com. After you end up in their main homepage of AustralianSuper, go to the top right corner and mouse over to the login drop down and click on member login. In the member login portal, you'll need to go ahead and type in your username and then your account's password. Type in your username and password correct in the text boxes and click on the login button to log into your account first. After you are logged into your main homepage of AustralianSuper, scroll down and go to the Email Us tab. Click on Email Us and on the right hand side of the screen, verify your membership by answering some of the questions and then entering your username and password. After filling in your details, click on Verify My Details. And now, you can fill in the region for your inquiry, the inquiry topic you are trying to find help with or talk about, and write down about the inquiry you are trying to contact AustralianSuper for. After you are done filling in all of the details, click on Send Inquiry and you will then be able to contact AustralianSuper via email. So that is how you should be able to contact AustralianSuper with email in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.